Hello students, today I will discuss about the class 10 under CBSE board artificial intelligence syllabus for the year 2025 and 2026. In this video I will discuss in detail artificial intelligence syllabus. After completion the syllabus we discuss about Part B, Unit 1, Artificial Intelligence Project Life Cycle and Ethical Concern. So let's begin. First topics is Part A. There are two main section, Part A and Part B. Under Part A, which is named as Employability Skills. Under these employability skills, there are so many units. First unit, Unit 1 is Communication Skills 2. Under this unit, communication cycle, impact of body language, effective communication, barriers of effective communication, basic writing skills, learning objectives of effective communication, different methods of communication, and feedback, and 7 conclusions of effective communications, way to overcome barriers to effective communication, and what is a sentence and parts of speech. There are sub parts of Unit 1 Communication Skill 2. Next unit Self Management Skill 2. Under this unit there are so many sub category. What is stress causing agents, what is stress management, 3 steps to manage stress management techniques, working independently, self awareness, self motivation, self regulations, smart goals, and time management and its importance. Third unit ICT skills 2. Computer system, operating system, Windows 11 operating system, procedure for starting a computer, login and logout, shutting down computers using keywords, mouse operation in Windows 11, performing basic file operation, computer care and maintenance, computer security and privacy, protecting computer against viruses, and what are temporary files. Unit 4 Entrepreneur skills 2. Entrepreneurship and society, customers' need, wants and demands, work done by an entrepreneur, role of an entrepreneur, importance of entrepreneurs, advantage of entrepreneurship, disadvantage of entrepreneurship, and misconceptions about entrepreneurship as a career option. Under Unit 5 Green Skills, what is sustainable development, importance of sustainable development, problems related to sustainable development, challenges to sustainable development, green skill and sustainable development goals, agenda 2030. Next part B, subject specific skills, named as. Under this part there are variety of units. First unit Revisiting AI project cycle and ethical frameworks for AI. Today I will discuss about this unit, Revisiting AI project cycle and ethical frameworks for AI, but in summary but comprehensive guideline for this unit. Under this unit, introducing AI project cycle, introduction to AI domains, AI issues and concerns, ethical frameworks of AI, and exploring bioethics. Next, second unit, advanced concerns of modeling in AI, revisiting AI, machine learning and deep learning, common terminologies used with data modeling, what is neural network and how does AI make a decision. Next, third unit, evaluating models, understanding evaluation techniques, splitting the training set data for evaluation, accuracy and error, evaluation metrics for classification, confusion matrix, accuracy, confusion matrix, precision, recall and F1 score, and last one is ethical concern about model evaluation. Under Unit 4, statistical data, what is data science, introduction to low or no code AI approach for statistical data, important concept in statistics, orange data mining, and applying the AI project cycle in change data mining. And Unit 5.1, computer vision, concept of computer vision, application of computer vision task, basic of images, how does computer see images, and convolutions. 5.2 unit, computer vision practical, no code AI tools, introduction to low, introduction to technical machine, change data mining tool, image feature, convolutions, what is neural network, what is convolutional neural networks, and layers of convolutional neural networks. 6.1 natural language processing theory, what is natural language, what is NLP, stages of NLP, chatbots, text processing, techniques of natural language processing, and 6.2 units natural language processing practical. And unit 7, this is the last unit of part B, advanced Python, introduction to Anaconda in understanding Jupyter notebook, what is a virtual environment, working with Jupyter notebook, introduction to Python, why Python for AI, application of AI, Python, recap of Python basics, modules and packages, NumPy and pandas, matplotlib library, scientific Python, NLTK and OpenCV, এগুলো সব library function. These are all library functions. So this total is syllabus for class 10 CBSE board, AI syllabus 2005 and 2006. Now I start regarding the part B, unit 1, AI project cycles and ethical concerns. See, navigating the AI landscape from project lifecycle to ethical considerations. Understanding the AI project cycle, domains, ethical frameworks and bioethics. First section is introduction. Briefly outline the presentation scope. AI project cycle, AI domains, AI issues and concerns, ethical frameworks of AI, exploring bioethics. From this video, you can learn about these topics. Next, introducing AI project cycle. Think of building an AI projects as following steps. First one, understanding the problem. In this point, actually this point is called problem scoping. Under this point, 4 W's Canva, W Canva. That means, what are you trying to solve? Why is it important? What do you want to achieve? And who will use it? Actually, 4W canvas means who, what, where and why. These all together are called problem scoping. Under this problem scoping, these topics, understanding the problem. And the second point is get data. That means collection of information the AI will learn from. Third step, look at the data, check the data for errors and get it ready for the AI. And the next steps, build the AI. Choose a method and train the AI using the data. Test the AI, see how well the AI works on new information. And this last stage is use the AI. Make it available for people to use and keep checking if it is working itself. In this screen, in the right side, you can see the diagram of project cycles. These 6 steps are essential for this project cycle. One is understanding the problem, get data, build the AI, use the AI, test the AI, and get data. Second topic is introduction to AI domains. Domains means actually areas, different areas to achieve AI. That areas is essential for achieving an AI models. This called domains. There are such as, one is machine learning, second one is natural language processing, third one is computer vision, fourth one is robotics, fifth one is expert system, sixth one is speech recognition, and seventh one is planning and scheduling. These are all domains that helps to achieve to or to create AI models. Next section is issues and concerns. AI can cause some problems. AI can cause some problems like as bias, privacy, job loss, hard to understand, bad use, and control. Bias means AI can be unfair if the data it learns from is unfair, right? And privacy means AI often uses a lot of personal information which needs to be protected. Third one is job loss. AI could take over some jobs done by humans. And the fourth one is hard to understand. Sometimes it is difficult to know why an AI makes a certain decision. And the fifth one is bad use. AI could be used for harmful things. And the last one is control. We need to think about how much control humans should have over AI. Next section is discussed about ethical framework of AI. These are rules to help us use AI responsibly. Such as, first one is do good and avoid harm. Second one is be fair. Third one is be clear. Fourth one is be responsible. Fifth one is protect privacy. And sixth one is keep humans in control. And seventh one is think about society. These are the ethical concerns for making a framework of AI. And the second section is exploring bioethics. What is this? This is about right and wrong in biology and medicine. It is important for AI because AI in healthcare, AI is used for diagnosis and treatment, right? And second one, AI is biotech. AI helps with things like gene editing. And third one is AI in research. AI help analyze biological data. And the last one is what is life. As AI gets smarter, it makes us think about what it means to be alive and human. Next topic is key ethical idea in bioethics related to AI. Key ethical ideas in bioethics related to AI. Let people decide. Patients should understand and agree to how AI is used in their care. Help and don't hurt in healthcare AI. AI should make people healthier without causing harm. Fairness in healthcare AI should provide equal care for everyone. Keep health data privacy. Patient information needs to be secure. Human doctors still matter. AI should help doctors, not replace them completely. Think carefully about gene editing. Using AI to change genes has big ethical questions. And the last one is be kind to animals in research. AI might help reduce animal testing. Now, this is the last section for today's video, today's class. Summarize the key takeaways. First one is AI project cycle provides a roadmap for building AI system. Second one, AI spans diverse domains. Third one, ethical considerations are crucial. Fourth one, bioethics play a vital role in addressing the ethical challenges. So today class is over. If you have any doubts, feel free. You can comment me. You can comment. Then I will assure next video will be ready for you. So stay well, stay healthy, take care. Thank you.